Just stopped by a yard sale out here in the morning.
500 feet, turn left onto Old Littleworth Road.
Scored an LL Bean multi-tool.
Turn left onto Old Littleworth Road.
Needed a multi-tool for a while. It's nice to have one. Occasionally really comes in handy. This one doesn't have as many accessories as some of the other ones he had, but it's better quality, more practical. But yeah, this guy's got some professional signs made up, I'll tell you what.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Littleworth Road.
Look at this fancy cabin cruiser boat. Just sitting in the weeds next to a barn. I believe
Turn left onto Littleworth
this
Road.
is still Dover, but it could be Somersworth. Anywho.